Blessing Geza, a war veteran and a member of the ZANU-PF Central Committee, has strongly condemned party members, calling for an extension of President E.D. Mnangagwa's presidency beyond the constitutionally mandated 2 terms, labeling their action as treasonous. Salabina mashoko atuna kuti aiwa mukomana mu veteran pamwechete ari ZANU-PF Central Committee anouya pana patira mashoko aiwa anoopposa vamwe wese especially veku-Midlands province vari kuadvocata for the term extension yemutungamiri wenyika. Salabina mashoko anodanyirwa pana blog, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina mzimba mudanyira chiti. In an exclusive interview with the HSTV, an online television and radio platform operated by Alpha Media Holdings, he has expressed his disapproval of a recent ZANU-PF resolution passed during the party's 21st National People's Conference in Bulawayo. The resolution proposed extending Mnangagwa's presidency until 2030, a move Geza believes undermines Zimbabwe's constitution. Geza stated, "I was at the conference and I was saddened. First and foremost, we have a constitution which must be respected by everybody. The president himself took an oath of office to respect the constitution of Zimbabwe. They took the oath of office so they could protect and defend the constitution of Zimbabwe, but they are not doing that." He went on to accuse those advocating for the extension of committing treason, saying they are committing treason. Those people must be arrested and those must be fired from ZANU-PF. We want to see those people charged. Geza's remarks highlight his firm belief that adherence to the constitution is non-negotiable and that any effort to bypass it should be met with serious consequences. Tomashwa nomuda tokwana Geza atukona Geza panapa arikuyatara mashoko kuti everyone must comply to the constitution no matter what, no matter position yaonayo. Tudze mafunguro enye moti kudi pamusoro pekupoza kwari kuita aiwa nawo ye 2030 agenda. Ina comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.